In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this VIVOHOME 2-pack outdoor garage solar lights, and these are motion sensor solar lights, and I've already installed one. That's why you're just seeing one down in the box, and I want to kind of like do a quick video for y'all and show you what you get. So you get this owner's manual right here, and then you get the, oh, it already lit up, everybody. You get the actual unit right here, which is packaged very nicely. There was 2 in here. One is already installed over there, and this is what you get with it right here. You get this bracket right there, and then you get the hardware that mounts right there, and it looks like it has a little drywall thing and 3 screws. Pretty simple. All you do is mount that bracket down, and then you set it up. Let me go over the unit itself right here. So the bracket mounts down like this. So this actually unfolds just like that, and you can see how it looks right there. By the way, here's the button to turn it off and turn it on. You can see the different modes right there. See, this bracket will screw down that bracket, and then you can actually just set it down right there, and it comes right on and off. So going over the little owner's manual here, it was very simple to install. It's got 256 LEDs. The solar panel is a 1.4 watt, 5 volt polycrystalline silicone, which is one of the better types of solar panels. Those seem to last a long time. You want to keep them cleaned off though in snow or pollen or things like that. The battery is a 2,400 milliamp battery. Charging times usually around about 8 hours. And this one over here has been going great, by the way. And I will show you that here in a minute. Well, there's some wind and the box just went flying. Operating time, 12 hours on the low brightness mode, and it goes up to 2,500 lumens. Delay time is 15 seconds, non-replaceable batteries. Here's some of the actual features on here. So it does, so this actually stays at like a low kind of brightness, 25% brightness. Then when you walk up on it, it will pop on real quick when you get up close to it. And let me take you over here and show you what I'm gonna do with this one. I'm gonna actually mount it on this side over here. So I'm gonna mount another one right here and try to get the best I can out of the solar panel. I think it will get enough sun to stay charged, but let's go ahead, let's mount this one. Then I'll click over to some nighttime and show you these at night and show you how bright they kind of light up. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, it's nighttime here, and let me show you how these things work. So you see how I walked up on it and it just went from like 23% brightness to max brightness, and how it illuminates all out through here. So very nice on that. So you see the other side. So I have one on this side right here mounted. Now watch when I walk. Notice it's a little dark over here. Now watch when I start walking up to this edge. Now look, it is super bright. And let's back up a little bit. Now I do have another one over here on this side, but look at the difference between these. You see how weak that one is compared to this one? That's all of those different LEDs on there. And you can adjust this actually. So now that I see it here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust it down where I shine more out this way and that way. So now I'm lighting up all of the side of the building here, all the way up to the ground. I'm maybe, let's say this is probably, I would say that's about 25 feet away right there. I don't know how, I think it's 15 seconds for it to drop back down. That one's already dropped back down here. So let's walk back around and I'll show you guys on this one. Let's see about, yep, right there. So yeah, I just kicked it on. So you see how right here, this is kicked on. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants a good affordable option, especially a 2-pack of these things that you could install on the side of your house, or like I have on the side of my shed out here, where, you know what, you just get to light up the area, and you also let you know when someone's walking around your house. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the VIVOHOME solar powered motion sensor lights. See you all in the next video.